Hi friends, and welcome back to another lesson with me. Today we're going to be looking at sentences again, just to help you understand sentences as well as have conversations, talk to people out there. Let's get started. And maybe after this, you can go and have a conversation with somebody you know with the new sentences and words that you learned today. Let's get started. So, in my block over here, I have 6 words. And I have 6 sentences. We're gonna fit in these words into these sentences. Let's look at the words that we have. Very, hair, look, bike, going, and new. Let's say that again. Very, hair, look, bike, going, and new. Awesome. Now we're going to squeeze these into these sentences over here. Let's get started. It is hot. Let's say that again. It is hot. It is hair hot. It is very hot. It is look hot. It is bike hot. It is going hot. Or it is new hot. Which of these words will fit in here? That's right, it is very hot. So we're gonna write this right over here. Great job, guys. Let's go on to number 2. Can you ride a Let's say that again. Can you ride a Can you ride a hare? Can you ride a look? Can you ride a bike? Can you ride a going? Can you ride a new? Which of these words will fit in here? That's right, bike. Can you ride a bike? Great job, guys. Let's go on to number 3. I have a dress. I have a dress. I have a hair dress. I have a look dress. I have a going dress, or I have a new dress. Which of these words will fit in here? That's right, new. So we're gonna put this right over here. Awesome. Let's carry on to number 4. At that big bowl. I say that again. At that big bowl. Is it hair at that big bowl? Look at that big bowl? Or going at that big bowl? Which of these words will fit in here? That's right, look. We only have 2 more to go, guys. So, hi, I am to my school. Let's read that again. Hi, I am to my school. Is it hi, I am here to my school? Or hi, I am going to my school? That's right. I am going to my school. Great job, guys. Last one. Can you tie your... We only have one more word left. Exactly. So this becomes hair. Can you tie your hair? Awesome, guys. Thank you so much once again for joining me on this exercise with sentences. Let's see if you can use the previous two exercises to go out and have conversations with other people. See you again next time. Bye!